please give me some time. Give us some time. We want to talk to you. Then Guru Maharaj said, we are the local people. They invited us. They spent a lot for us. They are coming from Calcutta. And different places, other devotees have come. I am to go there to inaugurate the function at 8 p.m. You will not go there. The function will be disturbed. I should not do this. You come tomorrow. Then you can pay ample time, sufficient time I can give and talk to you. No, Swamiji. We shall leave this place today. Tonight, please give us some time. Kindly. Then the doctor, he came, the owner of the house, he came there. He was the local man. So he knew they are the business magnates, very rich people. And one income tax officer is there, Mr. Pandey. And he requested him, now you should give some time to them. At least 15 minutes. I am informing there, it is near, that you will go after 15 minutes. Then Guru Maharaj retired and sat there. And we sat on the ground. Around there are some sheet of cloth is there. And Mr. Pandey, he was speaking to Guru Maharaj, income tax officer. Swamiji, I don't believe Atma Paramatma, which I cannot see, which I cannot touch. I don't believe that. I have come to you to get replies of 20 questions. And Guru Maharaj, always by his tone, by his voice, never I have seen Guru Maharaj unbalanced. By his way of speaking, I was also disturbed. What is this? A dignified man? What sort of? But Guru Maharaj said, yes, give me paper. And Guru Maharaj smiled, tell me 20 questions. And he wrote the 20 questions. By writing, 15 minutes passed. The Guru Maharaj told him, if I give answers of each question for 5 minutes, I require 100 minutes. The whole function will be ruined. That I cannot do. They have spent so much. So, you come tomorrow, I can reply all of these 20 questions sufficiently. If I get sufficient time, elaborately.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare.